Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids and parents. In this video, we will learn names and sounds of domestic animals. Let's get started. Hen. Hen. This is a hen. Goose. Goose. This is a goose. Goat. Goat. This is a goat. Horse. A horse. Rabbit. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Sheep. Sheep. This is a sheep. Dog. Dog. This is a dog. Cat. Cat. This is a cat. Camel. Camel. This is a camel. Canary. Canary. This is a canary. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.